Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. I'm going to really quickly show you how to get started with Tablet Pro using the pen tool. The pen tool was created to make everything simpler and to organize everything that's happening. So I'm going to show you how to do that first with the pen tool, and then I'll show you the way to do it without the pen tool, which is just using the Tablet Pro desktop software, which is this little white mouse icon. So we're going to start with the pen tool. So let's open up a drawing application. So here we have Rebel 5, and I'm going to single click on the pen tool icon, and you notice that it loads the correct preset, the correct artist pad for Rebel. Now I'm going to double click the icon, and this will open up the pen tool window. The pen tool window, you can click over here. We've just turned the full screen mode on. Excel, you can see we've got some different styles of artist pad and different modes, Photoshop, Rebel. And what you'll notice is over here on the side, there are notes because different programs require you to change certain things in their settings in order to work as a tablet with touch buttons. So right here, Krita needs the Windows Ink tablet API selected. If you click on Rebel, it needs Windows 8 plus pointer input, tablet API selected. ZBrush, it shows it needs WM_events, tablet API selected. So these are important things to note, and this is where you find it. Okay, now if something doesn't load, it's possible that this name isn't correct. That little asterisk fills in the blank, so ZBrush, ZBrush Core, all of those will launch with this. So here, if that doesn't work, you can create a new one, delete the old one, and the steps are pretty simple for that. I'll have a troubleshooting guide later. So let's say that you want to open up the layout editor for this one. You click on that layout editor button, it'll open it up here, and then you can edit it and then just save it. Now, when you're saving, this is a little bit of troubleshooting. Make sure that your default path here for the presets is actually someplace where there are presets. So default should bring you to the right spot. If not, then just browse and find that folder. All right, so let's look at when lock is unlocked. Then you can turn on and off different presets. So let's say we don't want it to run when Rebel runs. You can click right here and it'll disassociate that. We're going to keep it associated, and I'm going to show you how this works. Double tap here will shut that down. Okay, so we have this here. We're going to jump over to Onenote. You notice that it automatically will switch for us. Here we have DaVinci Resolve and ZBrush, and the artist pad loads automatically for all of these. Control / opens up this window, and again, you can lock that. And when it's locked, all you have to do to load the correct one is to single click the pen tool icon. Ta-da! All right, now if you're not using the pen tool, then what you can do is you go to the mouse icon, right click, and choose layout, choose load preset, and select it from here. Click open, apply, okay. And you'll have it opening over here on the side the way that you want. You may have to change inside the settings to make sure that it is the artist pad or float mode, and you do that here by selecting it from this list right here. So if we choose float, you're going to see we've got a little floating virtual trackpad. To edit, you go here, layout, edit layout, and you can do the same thing. It'll bring you to the same spot. This also will have a recently opened presets, and so you can just click in here. So if I click here on Rebel, it'll load that one. And it's not too hard. It just isn't quite as simple or organized as having it all in the same spot. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, put it in the comment section. And if you have suggestions, I always like to hear them. So please feel free to share those as well. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.